Hi, this is Paul DeWarian with Awesome Dynamic. I'm going to do a brief tutorial here on how to size a picture for your WordPress website. We're going to be using the Fill IMG CSS class along with Photoshop for this tutorial. So that might sound confusing with the Fill IMG CSS class, but if you had a website made by Awesome Dynamic, it's likely that you have the Fill IMG CSS class put into your website, and if not, you can ask us and we can install it. But essentially, if I want to put a picture in this box and I want to know what size that picture will be before I optimize the picture, I will add a text editor to the box. And if I go to Advanced and Class, type FILLIMG, you'll notice that a gray box appears. In here, I'm going to hit the Enter key in the General tab until I get the picture to about the size I want. That's about the size I want. I'll hit Save. Alright, now that I have this here, there's a little trick that we can use in Photoshop to get the exact size of that particular box. So what I can do on my keyboard is hold down the Alt key and hit Print Screen. The Print Screen key is in the upper right corner of your keyboard. On mine it says PRTSC, which is abbreviation for Print Screen. Alright, I just took a picture essentially of this page. Now I'm going to open Photoshop. I'm going to add a new canvas here. I'll make sure the color mode is set to RGB. Sometimes when you take a picture, it could be something funky. Alright, and then I'm going to just paste. So I'm going to do a Control V to paste. I'm going to select this area and crop around this box. And then I'm going to take the magic wand, click in the white area, right click on this selection in the white area and select the inverse. Then I'm going to go to Edit, Image, and then Crop. This is now giving me a canvas size that's exactly the size of that gray box that I put in here. Now using this method, I can just go to File, Place, pick up the image that I want. So here's an image of some airplanes that I'd like. And since I'm using the place function, the 100% size of this image is probably like huge, like this. But since it knows that my canvas size is smaller, it placed it on the canvas within the guidelines. So I'm going to take it and just make it a little bit bigger, like this. Okay, so it looks good within the space I have. Hit Enter, which will get me out of the sizing of the placed image. Now I can save this for the website. I, of course, want to optimize it so it has the lowest file size. So I'll go to File, Save for Web and Devices. And right now it's set to medium. And in this case, that looks a little pixelated, so I'm going to go to High. Okay, I'm still only at 9.7K. I could probably go to very high. 17. Now I don't see any pixelation around the trails behind the jets here. I'm going to go ahead and save this. So this one is called Excellence. And we're trying to promote the keyword on the homepage of Financial Advisor. Excellence. You see, I already did that with this image. I'm going to save, and in this case, I'm replacing the image because I already did this a moment ago. Now I can put this image onto my website. So instead of having this module here, I already know the size that all these boxes will be because it's even columns. So I'm going to remove this. Add content. I'm going to drag a photo in. Select the photo. Upload. Select files. Browse to the file I want to add. This is the one I saved. Open. And I'm going to add some alternative text to, again, juice that keyword, Financial Advisor. So I'm going to say our And notice I didn't put advisors because advisor is the word I want. So I just creatively wrote a sentence. Again, this is supposed to describe the picture to a person if they couldn't see it, visually impaired folks. But it also gives us an opportunity for the keyword. Select the photo, save, and now I have a perfectly optimized photo for that area, and you saw how I determine the size.